All right, guys, Crazy Croc here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. This is part 2 of the biggest fish I've ever seen in my life out of the Pamlico River, and I hope y'all enjoy it. More stuff coming out soon. See y'all in the next video. Doesn't feel too big.
Okay.
Maybe he's bigger than I thought he was. Yeah. This is a lot smaller setup.
Good morning.
I didn't even put it down from casting it. Yeah, maybe he's a little bigger than I thought he was. I haven't budged him yet off the bottom. Oh, I feel him. He's a red. He's a red, I think. I feel the tail. There he goes. There he goes again. You can feel that the head shakes like the. Yep, exactly. I don't think he's quite as big as the one from yesterday. Can you reel in this other one? Because he's gonna get all up in that too.
If he hasn't already.
Yeah. He looks like he's still out far enough. No, he's not small. Oh yeah. I can easily get to this spot with my kayak right here. Oh, maybe he just realized that he's actually hooked now. He wants to fight me.
He's pretty big. I don't know if he's gonna be big as some of guys.
Yeah, I don't think so, but he's still pretty good size. Ooh, it's angry.
Go ahead.
Do your thing, man. He's still staying down. He's not tired yet. Just when you think you had some line and start taking it out more. Goodness. Goodness gracious. Good grief. Nothing I can do about that.
Maybe
just let it roll.
Just feel how he's doing. Yeah, he don't feel near as big.
That's the one from yesterday now. He's still big though.
He might have more fight than other guys, even if he's not as big.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not a happy camper. He says, I am not coming.
It's almost 10 minutes. Yeah, put up a bigger fight than the last dude. Yeah, he's up front now. Oh my gosh. I was say my forearm was starting to get tired a little bit.
That is too.
Switch back for a second. I want to see if make sure the tension sounds pretty tight. Fighting a lot more. It's also, even if he's the same size, we got such smaller deer. He ain't ready to give up yet. He ain't ready to give up yet. There he is. He's at the top. This thing fight hard. Oh man. He's up. Yeah. Oh, he's pretty big. He's pretty big. He just didn't seem it at first.
He might be rivaling this.
He didn't seem it at first. Deep. All right, there's his tail. Did you see his tail come up?
No, I do not want to move.
Ooh, he's big. He's very big. Wow. 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 What a cool looking fish. He's over 40 inches. If you can get his head towards me. Oh my gosh. It looks like he is like wrapped up in the line, which that's probably why he's fighting weird too.
Yeah, I knew he was kind of flopping around sideways looking. Still don't want to come in. Come on, buddy.
There we go. Here we go. He'd get his head over towards me. Oh, nope, nope. He didn't want it. You know what? He saw that net. Ah. All right. Oh, he's drumming. I hear him drumming. All right. Come on. Come on, bub. This is what I need. All right. There we go. Oh, my goodness. Another one.
Wow. Might be bigger than yesterday, to be honest with you.
Wow.
No doubt about that. Look how big he is.
He's definitely bigger than yesterday.
I don't know if he's longer, but he's fatter.
Yeah, he's gotta be heavier. Hear that drumming? That's crazy.
Oh my goodness. I guess a pretty spot for him too.
Yeah. Wow. 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 Wow.
He's heavier though, I think.
Yeah. Let me go from here. That's a 45. 44 and a half, I think. Yeah, 44 and a half. Oh, shoot. Look, every bit of 27. Every bit of 27.
Isn't that what you said the other one was?
26 and a half. The other one was. It's probably look because he's just a different build.
Yeah.
That's
I mean, I can
crazy.
tell he's heavier, I think.
He's 100% heavier. All right. Whew, he's all slimy. You have him?
I think so. Oh, I guess I go home by myself.
You can hold him. Yeah. That's a beautiful fish. Oh. For size comparison, that tail is 100% bigger than yesterday. Yeah, he's way bigger fish. Yeah, look how strong he is.
I mean,
you know what?
He's shorter and got the same girth.
I'm having a hard time holding on to him. He wants to go. See this right here? He's been caught before. That's from somebody grabbing him just like I am. You see that mark? This marking? He's been caught more than once, it looks like. So that's what he's been down this road before. He said, I do not want this. right, I think he's ready. You know what they do? They give him a little tail slap, like a high five. Boop. There he goes. We got another one. Oh.